Welcome to 7283 Frith Road, located in St. Clair, Michigan. This 3-bedroom home on 7.45 acres is sure to please, so stick around. This beautiful ranch-style home has all kinds of bonuses inside, so you're going to want to stick around and check them out. Now, the pond in the front yard is 17 foot deep in the center and actually has fish in it. What do you think of this front porch? Can you see yourself relaxing on those warm summer days? Set back off the road, giving you the ultimate in privacy. Now, let's check out the inside. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath home has all kinds of wonderful features. Recessed lighting, cathedral ceilings. And I know you're going to enjoy that wood-burning fireplace every winter. The nice open floor plan is perfect for entertaining. Lots of built-ins in the kitchen, granite countertops. Hey, now you know you can get your chef on in this home. Everything about this property has been well maintained. You can see the owner had a lot of love and knowledge in keeping this property in great shape. The first floor laundry will become your favorite. You'll never want a laundry in the basement again. Now, this is a split-style ranch, meaning that the master bedroom is on one side of the house. The other 2 bedrooms are on the other side of the house, really giving you the ultimate in privacy. With a large walk-in closet, this retreat will soon become the favorite part of this home for you. Now, not only is the master bedroom large, but all of the other bedrooms are really good size with lots of storage. Here again, you can really see a lot of pride from the homeowners in this home. They've taken great care of it. You don't have to be a detective to know you found a great house. Now let's check out the finished basement. This area is going to soon become one of your favorite places. Lots of space, a great area to just get away from. Now, some of the cool features that the homeowner has put into this house, he actually has an air line running from the workshop, which we're going to check out here in a little bit, going to the garage with a remote start button that's on a timer. In this area, he's put in a cedar closet, lots of storage, some of which I'm not showing in this video, and a 3rd full bath. If you have someone that really enjoys playing video games or watching television and you like it a little bit quieter, hey, this is the place for them and you can relax upstairs. Here's that cedar closet I told you about. There's so much more to show down here, but let's go outside and check it out. This 2-tier deck, great for grilling, just watching nature, and just chilling out all summer long. Neighbors are far apart. Now, the property goes 7.5 acres all the way back into an L shape, so no one's ever going to move in behind you. Hey, there's my favorite thing, the workshop. That little planter box, he has an automated watering system in it. He'll have to show you some of the cool features he's put in this house. Now let's check out the workshop. This workshop has high ceilings. He's leaving the lift, several other items in here, making it really productive for you. It's huge at 24 by 40 feet. So if you run your own business, or if you're into hobbies, or heck, if you want to make a guest house, you could do it all with this property. So don't miss out. We're priced right at $340,000. Schedule your private showing today, because it might not be around tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching and have a great day.